Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today I'm going to build an automatic chicken water. It's summer and I'm getting real sick of filling these up every day. Come along and enjoy the fun. Materials are pretty straightforward. We got our barrel from Craigslist, PVC and fittings from the hardware store, and these chicken watering cups from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's get building. Like a lot of projects, there was a hardware store trip in the middle. We had some ball valves to our pipes before these in case something goes wrong. Alright, the moment of truth for any plumbing project. Time to check for leaks. Yes! No leaks! No leaks. Let's make sure it works. We got water. It's been a couple days in the coop now with medium success. They know how to drink out of it, but they haven't figured to fill it up yet. I might switch the pipe up to the nipple, kind of give that a go. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the project. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Wholesome Homesteader community. We'll see you next time. Here, let me fill it up for you, chickens. Here, I got it for you. Just don't peck my finger. Give me a second. Hey, careful. There you go. You just gotta figure out how to fill it up. Just pull that yellow thing down. Hey, watch the fingers. You can't see nothing, can you? Thanks for whopping. Whopping, eh? Yeah. You can't see my head. That ain't gonna work. Oompa doopa doopity doo. Hey, don't peck me. Oh, you got the red band of meanness. You are meanie.